Hi, welcome to this Digital Systems course. After watching this video, you should be able to explain what are the learning goals of this course, what will be the learning activities, how the course is organized, and how you will be assessed. So let's start with the learning goals. As indicated in the course syllabus, after concluding your studies, you should be able to explain the operation and use of the embedded boundary scan test infrastructure, to develop structural tests for printed circuit boards, and to model, simulate, and synthesize register transfer level descriptions for FPGAs. And what learning activities were designed with this objective? Well, everything that you need is available online, essentially through Canvas, and occasionally through library resources. There's also, of course, a wide range of learning materials that you can find online as open access content. But since there's so much to learn and to do in Canvas, I would recommend you to access external resources only for very specific purposes. The learning materials and activities in Canvas belong to three main groups. Part of the content supports standalone work, like watching the short video lectures that are available as presentation pages. Some other activities, like the tutorials and the hands-on examples, can be done either as standalone or as group work. And finally, on the right, there are two types of activities that were planned for collaborative work. The compulsive coursework assignments, which are to be carried out as group work, and Canvas discussions, which are meant to involve the whole class. The discussions will actually provide inspiration for the final exam, so you should work on them from the very beginning. This slide summarizes the 5 main types of content and activities that we have just described, but visiting the actual content in Canvas is the best way of understanding what they represent. And how is the course organized? The course will run for 9 weeks, according to the plan shown in this slide. In the first week, we will go through a range of materials recalling knowledge acquired in your previous computer architecture and VHDL programming course. In the second week, we will start with the boundary scan test standard, which is the subject of our first compulsive coursework assignment taking place in weeks 4 and 5. We will start with finite state machines with data path in week 6, and then close with a second coursework assignment addressing a simple electronic piano. The last week addresses the integration of the 2 compulsive coursework assignments, where you will merge the 2 projects in order to add an embedded test infrastructure to our electronic piano. How will you be assessed? Your grade comes entirely from the final written exam, but you will have to successfully complete the compulsive coursework assignments to be allowed into the exam. The course syllabus states what aids are allowed, but these may have to change if it becomes a digital home exam. Make sure that you are familiar with the assessment regulations, which you can check using this link. Thanks for your attention. I truly hope that you will enjoy and learn from this course.